When it comes to creating meals that are not just delicious, but also healthy and hassle-free, the cookware you use matters. This Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set, 13-piece, a kitchen companion designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. This review will deep dive into everything that makes this set an irresistible choice for anyone passionate about cooking, from its standout features to the user benefits that make it a must-have. Unveiling the features. What makes the Sensarte cookware set unique? 1. Health-focused ceramic coating. The Sensarte cookware set prioritizes your well-being with its natural ceramic material. Certified by SGS, it's free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFAS, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. Unlike traditional nonstick pans, it doesn't emit toxic fumes even under high heat, ensuring that your meals remain as healthy as they are flavorful. This health-conscious design makes it perfect for families looking to make healthier meal choices. 2. Exceptional non-stick performance. Imagine sliding an omelet effortlessly off the pan without a trace of sticking. The super smooth ceramic surface not only simplifies cooking, but also makes cleanup a breeze. Thanks to its non-stick properties, you can cook with minimal oil, enhancing the flavor of your dishes while keeping them light and nutritious. 3. Versatile and induction-compatible. Equipped with a stainless steel base, this cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Its cast aluminum construction ensures rapid, even heating, reducing the time spent waiting for your pans to reach the right temperature. Additionally, it's oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, adding versatility to your cooking techniques. Just remove the handle before popping it into the oven. Whether you're frying, sautéing, boiling, or simmering, this set has you covered. Design that delights. Functionality meets elegance. Stay cool handles. The wood-grain Bakelite handles offer a comfortable grip while staying cool to the touch, ensuring safety and convenience. Their ergonomic design enhances control, even during extended cooking sessions. Tempered glass lids. Monitor your cooking process without lifting the lid. These glass lids retain heat and moisture, locking in flavors while preventing messy splashes. Easy storage. The inclusion of pot protectors helps keep your cookware scratch-free when stacked, extending their longevity while saving storage space in your kitchen. Who is this cookware set for? Ideal for health-conscious home cooks. If you're prioritizing healthier meals without compromising on taste, the ceramic coating in this cookware set makes it a perfect match. Small families and kitchen enthusiasts. With its compact but versatile design, this set caters to small households, enabling you to prepare everything from quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners. Those seeking durability and style. The chic beige-white exterior complements modern kitchens while its robust construction ensures years of reliable performance. Benefits that make Sensarte stand out. 1. Saves time and energy. Quick, even heating ensures that your meals cook faster, saving both time and energy. 2. Eco-friendly and safe. Free from harmful chemicals, the cookware aligns with sustainable cooking practices while ensuring your family's safety. 3. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick coating significantly reduces cleanup time. Simply wipe with a sponge or rinse under water for sparkling results. Why choose Sensarte over competitors? While many cookware brands promise non-stick performance and durability, few can match the health-conscious design and overall versatility of the Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set. Its combination of safety, functionality, and stylish design puts it a step ahead of traditional nonstick cookware. Final verdict? Is the Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set worth it? Absolutely. The Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set combines safety, durability, and style to offer an unparalleled cooking experience. Its premium ceramic coating, ergonomic design, and versatile usability make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills. From busy weeknight dinners to weekend culinary adventures, this cookware set will be your go-to kitchen partner. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your cooking game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.